Hey guys, happy to be back in this channel again. Long time no see. I know I got a bit distracted and consumed in my other channel. That's why I abandoned this kind of. I'm just going to try to be as consistent as possible in this channel. Sorry for making you guys wait for a very long time. So for today's look, I have got a simple, glowy, mild, festive appropriate look. This is quick, lightweight and easy to achieve. So if you want to know how I created the look, then please keep on watching. I've already moisturized my face. I'm going to prime my face. This one is basically a primer plus moisturizer kind of a product. I love the way this product gives me that pink glow. This is a primer from Sugar. Then I'm going to color correct my face, for which I'm using the PAC Takeover Rusty Orange Color Corrector. This one is basically an orange concealer. I'm working this on the usual areas where I have a little bit of pigmentations, dark spots and discolorations. So I am targeting this on those areas and then I'm blending it with a damp beauty sponge. This sponge is from Plume. For foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in shade Nut Brown. This is a nice foundation for my skin tone. I like this. This sits well on my skin. Especially I like this during winter time. Specifically if my skin is on the dry skin side that day. This has a little bit of shine to it. I like the finish it gives. Then I'm going to top it up with some concealer. This is also going to highlight the center parts of my face. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in shade Neutral Tan. I'm working this underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. That's it. I'm just going to blend it all with the same damp beauty sponge. Then to set this all, I'm using a powder from K-Beauty in shade Olive. I'm just using the same damp beauty sponge to pack the powder onto my skin. This makes sure that the concealer doesn't move anywhere and also locks everything well on my skin. Also gives a nice satin finish to my skin. Then I'm moving on with my eyebrows and eye makeup. First I am running a spoolie across my eyebrows. Then for my eyebrows I'm using the Morphe Brow Pomade in shade, I don't remember. I will link the links in the description box so you can definitely check it out. I'm quite liking it. I got it as a kit from Nykaa. Recently Morphe got launched in Nykaa. That's when I kept my hands on this product. So I love it. You can definitely check this out. I'm actually taking this MAC 24-hour Kajal pencil and working this on my lid like so in a triangle shape, and then I'm quickly blending it with my fingers. Now for the eyeshadow color I wanted a dark base, dark even base. That's the reason why I did this. However, the black is not going to show out, so it doesn't have to be super perfect. Once after blending the black, I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer shade because I'm not going to use like so many eyeshadow palettes or colors for the look. I'm just taking the bronzer that I'll be using on my face later on and I'm just working this on the transition area. Then for the eyeshadow, I'm taking the single eyeshadow pan from Colourpop. This is gorgeous. I have never used any color like this. I kind of like so many single pots from Colourpop. They are very unique. This particular one has this beautiful hue of blue and purple to it and it's a nice nudie gold color. I love this. I want the purple to pop. That's the reason why I got a black base underneath. After blending the gold well on my lid, I decided to coat a good layer of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm using the one from Maybelline. I'm applying this on both my lashes, upper and lower lashes. And then I decided to highlight the inner corner of my eyelid with the same eyeshadow. And I tightline my upper and lower waterline with the same kajal. Now I'm using the same bronzer, the Benefit bronzer, to bronze up my face on the usual areas, the temples, the sides of my face, the jaw area and on the sides of my nose. Once after that, I'm using blush from Kiro Beauty. I'm kind of mixing a peachish pink and a proper pink color for the look. And then I'm applying this on the apples of my cheeks and a tiny bit on the tip of my nose. Then for highlighter, again I'm using a Kiro Beauty highlighter. I generally like this brand's products. I'm using the same sponge to apply the highlighter. This kind of gives this nice melted kind of a look for the highlighter. After some time you just feel like you have applied some cream highlighter on your face. I like to apply sometimes the highlighter with my sponge. You can definitely try that out. And for lips, I'm using a dark brown lip liner from Swiss Beauty. This, I believe the shade name is Dark Chocolate, I'm not sure. This is a very nice lip liner. I got this in a kit of 12 lip liners in a good affordable rate, like 415, somewhere like that. You can definitely check the product out. I love it. You have all the colors in the kit and they are quite affordable as well and are of good quality as well, so I can definitely check it out. I am lining my lips well, and I'm also filling in the corners of my lips, and then I'm going to apply a peachish nude color. This one is from Lakme. This is a beautiful liquid lipstick. I love this liquid lipstick. This is very comfortable on the lips, stays super long, and has a good amount of pigmentation to it. Also gives a nice matte finish, so you can definitely try this range of lipstick from Lakme. I applied some falsies, added on some jewels. The jewels are from Amazon, and I recently did a jewelry haul from Amazon in my second channel. You can definitely check that out. I'll be linking that channel's link in the description box below for you guys. You can definitely check it out. So that's it. All the products used to create this look is linked in the description box below. You can definitely check them out, and I really hope you guys liked the look. It's very simple, easy, wearable, and elegant in its own way, so you can definitely try this out. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked the video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, and also wish me luck to stay consistent in this channel, guys. So wish me luck. That's it, guys. I will see you all in my next one soon. Bye.